Hello guys, this is Adog00 here, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing off some pops I got from the toy fair that I went today. So they're all basketball pops, so if you don't like basketball pops, and if you still clicked on this video, thank you. Leave a like if you don't want to watch the whole thing, but yeah, so I went to a toy convention today. I don't know when I'm uploading this. It's probably going to be uploaded, let's say around Monday. This is Saturday when I'm recording this. Monday my time. I don't know. So I'm gonna be showing you it. So we got 3 pops. I'm just gonna tell you it right now. We got Isaiah Thomas, Joel Embiid, and James Harden. And if you know or didn't know, I have more basketball pops on my wall thing, which I'm planning to do a room tour soon. We got Jimmy Butler, Karl Anthony Towns. I have Kristaps Porzingis. I have LeBron James in the Lakers jersey, number 52, and I have Kyrie Irving in the Cavaliers jersey. So the toy fair also had people like Alonzo Ball and Kyrie Irving and Gordon Hayward. I was gonna get them all, but it was get 5 for 40 instead of get 5 for 50. Like, you know, like it was $10 each or something. So my twin Anthony got 2 and I got 3, and then yeah, I had to pay him back because he paid for some of it, so I paid him back. Okay, anyways, that's not the point of this video. But before we get into it, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys go ahead and drop a like, and let's get right into the video. Alright, so the first pop we have here is Isaiah Thomas. So, here is the midget. I can't be talking because I am a fucking midget. Here's Isaiah Thomas. So this one, you know, I only got it because it looks so freaking cool. I mean, no, I got it because it's basketball, and I like Isaiah Thomas, and I like James Harden, I like Joel Embiid, and these are cool, and, you know, I like them. So, yeah, here's Isaiah Thomas, guys. I'm going to be taking it out of the box and stuff. And then here on the back, they have the Kyrie Irving, John Wall, Kawhi Leonard, Kristaps Porzingis, James Harden, Damian Lillard, Karl Anthony Towns, Giannis Antetokounmpo, and Kevin Durant. Let me go ahead and show you guys it. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but that is the series, NBA Series 3. So yeah, we got Isaiah Thomas. So let me go ahead and take him out of the box. I'm gonna try not to damage this box or like put a dent in it. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's almost out. Here it is. Okay, so here is Isaiah Thomas. So, as you know, Isaiah Thomas used to play for the Celtics. He was really great on the Celtics. He was a second-round pick, right? Or he went undrafted. No, I think he was the last pick of the second round. One of those two. He was a late pick. He was definitely still in the draft, but, you know, he's been declining recently. I think it was due to injury. I don't know. I just started getting back into basketball, maybe a few months ago, so, I still gotta, like, learn a lot of things from the 2018-19 season. Yeah, for the 2018-19 season. But yeah, Isaiah Thomas is, I think, currently on the Wizards. I kind of want him to come to Chicago. I like Isaiah Thomas, but I mean, I doubt they're gonna get him to Chicago because they have point guards like Thomas Satoransky, Kobe White, Chris Dunn. I would say they have Derrick Rose, but I wish they did. Okay, anyway, so here's Isaiah Thomas. This is, you know, pretty cool. Like I said, he's 5'7". He's a good basketball player, or was. I mean, he's going to improve again. I wish the best for him. Nothing but the best. I love Isaiah Thomas. He's my boy. I remember I think him. Wait, no. What was it? It was either the Cavaliers or Celtics, or like the Bulls or Celtics, and like the semifinals, or no, no, okay, because I remember watching a game where Isaiah Thomas was just like beasting out or something. I don't know. Okay, anyway, so the next one we got is a funny one, not a funny one. Why did I say funny one? No, but a nice center. It is Joel Embiid. So what I like about Joel Embiid, is that I think he's definitely a contender for the MVP this year. I don't know if you guys can see that well. I'll take it out of the box, like I said. So, I think he's definitely a contender for the MVP this year. I don't think he's going to win the MVP, but I definitely think he's going to be in at least the top 5 for the MVP because he's so dominant as a center. You know, he fits today's basketball, at least what I think. I like Joel Embiid. So, on the back, we have Karl Anthony Towns, Russell Westbrook, Kristaps Porzingis, Gordon Hayward, Steph Curry, James Harden, Giannis Antetokounmpo, Kyrie Irving, Ben Simmons, Jimmy Butler, Tobias Harris, Lonzo Ball, Joel Embiid, and LeBron James. I'll show you it right here. It's only like, it doesn't show the pictures, but you guys get the point. So, yeah, here's Joel Embiid one more time from the box. I don't know if you guys can see that well. Then let's go ahead and take it out. So, the pop I want the most, though, in basketball related is is Derrick Rose. Derrick Rose is like $80, dude, and I'm probably gonna ask that for Christmas, and you know, if I like think it's worth it, because I love Derrick Rose, and Derrick Rose is my homie. I'm just kidding, no, but Derrick Rose is he's one of the best. I think basketball players in the world. I know he's not like top 10. He's not even top 20. He's not top 30. He's probably like not even top 100. But yeah, you know. Here first, let's get to Joel Embiid. So and then we can talk about Derrick Rose. So here is Joel Embiid right here. It's pretty cool. I like his shoes. My dad would like those shoes. I think. Are they Jordans? No, they don't. No, never mind. They're just red shoes. So here's Joel Embiid, and right here's the back. Oh, he's number 21. I just noticed that. Okay, that's cool. Remember when that 21 meme was relevant? Yeah, me neither. Here is Joel Embiid. Okay. Anyways, last pop we have is James Harden. So James Harden. Yeah, he's on the Houston Rockets. He's on the Houston Rockets. The back is the same as Joel Embiid. So yeah, here's James Harden. You guys can't really see it, I don't think. Yeah, the back, I'll just show you it anyways. It's the same thing, nothing special. Yeah, so let me go ahead and take him out of the box and yeah, show you guys. James Harden, one of the best players ever to play in the NBA. He's not top 10, of course. Like, you know, he's one of the best, but he's one of the best today. He's one of the best of all time, at least I think. He's a way better scorer than, you know, a lot of people. So, yeah, here's James Harden right here. I like James Harden. He's with Russell Westbrook now, the Rockets. I can't wait to see how that's going to turn out. I just hope the Bulls can beat them, which I doubt it, but it's okay because the Bulls are going to win the NBA champion. I can't even say with a straight face. The Bulls are going to win the NBA championship today, and I'm just kidding. No, but if I have my predictions to who wins the NBA championship, it's either going to be like of course, it's probably going to be the Warriors, Sixers, the Bucks, the Rockets, the Clippers, the Lakers. You know, a lot of those. You know, mostly the West. Yeah, here is James Harden again, and let me see what shoes. He still has the same shoes as Joel Embiid, right? No, okay, they're different, but they're still red. Okay, whatever. So then here's the back of James Harden, my boy. And here is James Harden on the side, and yeah, okay, you guys don't need to see his ears and mouth. Oh wait, they don't make mouths on Funko Pops. Okay, anyways, so yeah, those are the 3 NBA Funko Pops that I have today for you guys. One more thing before I go, I wanted to say that I know I haven't been uploading that much recently. Like, I've been a bit demotivated. I posted this on my community tab, I think, on Twitter. So, like, I've been a bit demotivated lately. Like, you know, just, like, tired and shit. So, so what I want to do is, like, something that I enjoy more. So, like, talk about basketball. And do basketball quizzes on the channel, or, like, do basketball videos. And, I enjoy making fun of, you know, people who eat raw meat and or 31-year-old babies, but like I want to try to expand the thing a little more, talking about basketball, doing basketball videos. So if you guys can show some love on those videos, it would definitely make me motivated to do more. But I love doing them anyway, so you know I'm probably gonna keep doing them, even though if you guys don't even like it. No, that sounded so wrong. Like okay. Well, I love doing this, and whoever wants to support me doing this can either support or not, which I'm gonna, okay, that sounded so mean. Okay, whatever. The point is, I'm going to be doing more basketball videos, most likely. Just give me some suggestions in the comment sections below. Give me some games to stream, because it's Halloween, because I want to play some horror games, like maybe Outlast, Resident Evil again. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, because if you did, make sure you guys go ahead and drop a like, share out the channel, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Peace.